from London. We're finally here. I'm so stoked. We are in front of Buckingham Palace, about to see the changing of the guard. We got here a little late, so it's not the best seat, but we can still see it. We've actually been here for a few days. We're house sitting, taking care of a really, really cute little Pekingese dog, and we're gonna be here in London for about a month, which is wonderful. Today is like a beautiful, beautiful day, maybe one of the last ones. It's like 65 out and sunny, so we're gonna enjoy that while it lasts. It is Sunday, so it's pretty busy here. So we're gonna see all the main stuff today. Obviously, the changing of the guard's about to happen. We're in front of Buckingham Palace. We're gonna see Big Ben, even though I've heard it's full of scaffolding. Basically, see as much as we can in one day and show you how you can do that too. So please hit subscribe. Yay. And thanks.
I say words.
So yeah, we're gonna have to come back here another day. Good thing we're here in London for a month because yeah, we really didn't get to see anything of the changing of the guard because we got here too late. We didn't get a good seat and everything's happening behind all the crowds and the closed gates. So we will come back and get really good footage and see it for real another day. Another great thing about house sitting and traveling slow is that you can come back. You don't have to do everything like, and once again, I feel like I'm being sponsored, but I'm not by house sitting or something. I should be. I am the best sponsor ever. Why am I not sponsored? Trusted House Sitters. Let's go. But we're kind of hungry, so we're gonna go find something to eat and then see all the rest of the sites. The sites are pretty close by-ish, so you can walk to them. Let's go find something to eat. I never knew that wild parakeets lived in London right next to the Buckingham Palace. I couldn't believe it when we saw them. They were just wild and they took all the food from the tourists, and the squirrels did too. It was so cool to see that.
We were trying an apple.
Yeah, too. The squirrel does not care. This beautiful building is Westminster Abbey. It's actually kind of tucked away from the main road. You think like, oh, what is this place? And then, oh my god, it's Westminster Abbey. It is so, I mean, I don't have to say it. You can see how just incredible this place is. Of course, you can actually go into the Abbey. It's £21 for adults, so you can see why we chose not to, because we are a budget travel channel. So we didn't go in. Also, we were very busy trying to go do all these places in one day, so we had to move along. This place has been here since 1066. And it's where Prince William and Kate got married in 2011. So if you can see behind me, Big Ben is covered in scaffolding, of course. I guess for 4 years it's going to be worked on as preservation, so that's a good thing so that it can stay for longer, and I'm happy that they're preserving it, but I'm also just a little disappointed that I can't see Big Ben. My mom actually got a really cool picture when she came to London several years ago when I was a kid. She came here with her friend and she got a picture in a telephone booth in front of Big Ben with a double-decker bus going by, and I wanted to recreate that photo, but it's not going to really be the same unless I edit it like crazy. So, but you know what? That's life. We're still here in London. I'm not that sad about it, but that's just part of travel sometimes. You know, on this trip, actually, we've come across so much scaffolding and like construction and cranes, like always cranes. There was cranes right above Buckingham Palace too. I don't know what it is. It's just the way of Europe now, I guess. I don't know. Or it's just our luck.
2018 is the year of construction.
Yeah. Oh well, such is life. We still have lots more to see, so let's go see other stuff. Yeah, let's go. By the way, I know the last time we were talking on screen, I mentioned that we were going to find something to eat, and we were still looking for that, but as we were walking, trying to find something that wasn't crazy expensive, we just kept running into things like the Westminster Abbey and kind of got sidetracked. Never film a street performer without paying them. Now we are on Westminster Bridge. On one side is the London Eye, and the other side is Westminster, Big Ben, and Houses of Parliament. On this bridge, you'll find tons of tourists crossing over, taking their pictures, and you'll find lots of people trying to swindle you out of your money. Just avoid those people and keep walking.
They're so weird. Cops are coming after you, Morgan.
They're gonna get me.
Morgan, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
That looks so weird. So we're here in Trafalgar Square. Behind me is the National Gallery, and yeah, we're discovering how super walkable London really is. I mean, you can get to all these places in a day easily. Like, it's super easy just to walk around. And yeah, we're gonna keep walking. There's still a lot more to see. It's crazy beautiful. We've been staying outside of London, well, in London, but like not like, you know, London. And it's nice to finally get that actual feeling of London. And how many times have I said London in this one sentence? It hasn't really felt like we've been in London. It's just been like city, and now it's like really, really hitting me. It's crazy beautiful. I didn't think it would be this beautiful. I don't know why. I can see the London Eye over there peeking over gorgeous buildings. This is like a great day to be here. So yeah, let's continue. Get out! Stop!
He's looking for like the most epic high five ever.
Yeah. Now we are in Piccadilly Circus, which is basically the Times Square of London. Circus actually means circle in Latin, so that is the kind of explanation for this. It's just a circular open space at a street junction. It might be the busiest place in London with the most people I had seen in one area. It is a tourist attraction, but it's not something I liked that much. It was just a lot of people kind of haggling on the road trying to get you to pay for their tricks or whatever. And to be totally honest, there were a bunch of street musicians who were like the worst that we heard on our whole trip in Piccadilly Circus. They were the worst. Maybe because they felt like they didn't have to try because tourists would give them money anyway? I don't know, but I'm just being honest here. This is Hamleys Toy Store. It's akin to FAO Schwartz in New York. It's the oldest and largest toy shop in the entire world, and it's on Regent Street. Our favorite is probably the Harry Potter section, of course.
Yes, that was you. Now everyone can see what a child you are to watch over.
This is famous Carnaby Street. At this time, the Queen movie was coming out, or had just come out, and they were doing a whole Freddie Mercury celebration, so they had Queen lyrics all the way down the street. And we were actually there around Christmas time. Yes, we are super late in editing, let's not mention it. We actually have a Christmas in London video, and you can see the lights all lit up and like this Queen celebration. It was really, really cool. One of the really cool things about London, and something that makes it as beautiful as it is the ornate design of all the buildings, even if they're for mundane stores. Like this right here, the ornate windows, the gold paint, the lion emblem, it's just for an Apple store. It's so cool. Liberty in London is a famous store, a famous luxury store, this Tudor revival building with the half-timbered whole top of it. It's in Regent Street in Soho, and it's just a super famous store that I really wanted to go to. You see tons of Instagrammers and YouTubers and stuff from London going there all the time. By the way, there was some lady there who was like really pissed off that I was smelling those flowers. She didn't even work there. She was just a passerby. Maybe she was sick of the Instagrammers. I don't know, but she was really mad that I smelled those flowers. It was super beautiful, but I mean, we are budget travelers, so of course we couldn't afford anything in there, even the cheapest stuff. It was fun to look at, but yeah, not my vibe. The whole store was beautiful though. The building itself was very beautiful. That about wraps up our first full day exploring London. At this point we had to go back to the flat to take care of the dog because we were house sitting the whole time we were in London. And something that I didn't mention in this video was that during this time there was some ish going down with that house sit. I am going to post a video really soon talking all about our worst house sit experience ever. That's coming out the video after next, so please subscribe to see that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and again, please hit subscribe. We do have a Patreon and a merch store, you'll find them below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!